we get to answer the question x raised to the power negative 1 plus root 2 times x raised to the power negative 1 minus root 2 is equal to 16. Find the value of x. For us to answer this question, we are going to apply the laws of indices at the left hand side. We know a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n is simply equal to a raised to the power m plus n. We add the powers. It simply means if we take x raised to the power negative 1 plus root 2 times x raised to the power negative 1 minus root 2, it will simply be equal to x raised to the power negative 1 plus root 2 plus, we add the powers, negative 1 minus root 2. This will be equal to x raised to the power negative 1 plus root 2. You know, positive, negative will stay, minus 1 minus root 2. This will simply be equal to x raised to the power negative 1 minus 1 gives us negative 2. Root 2 minus root 2 gives 0. So when you simplify this, we are going to obtain x raised to the power negative 2. It therefore means that the left hand side of this equation, I will replace it with x equal to negative 2 is equal to 16. X raised to the power negative 2 is simply the same as 1 over x squared is equal to 16. Next, we know 16 is equal to 16 over 1. We cross multiply, then 16 x squared will simply be equal to 1 times 1, which is 1. Then 16 x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we know 16 is the same as 4 squared times x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. And this will give us 4x all this squared minus 1 squared is equal to 0. No 1 squared remains 1. And this is the difference of two squares with factorization. 4x minus 1 times 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. At this level, we are going to say either 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. At the left hand side here, we are going to make x the subject of formula. This will give us 4x to be equal to, transfer negative 1 to the right hand side, gives positive 1. Next, we divide both sides by 4. This will give us x to be 1/4. Or, here we transfer 1 to the right hand side. So 4x to be equal to negative 1. We divide both sides by 4. Here x will simply be equal to negative 1/4. So you see that we are going to obtain two values of x. So find the values of x. So therefore x will simply be 1/4, or x will be equal to negative 1/4. And we are done with the solution.